Good morning, guys. We are gonna switch out my nails today. So this is where I keep them. Don't mind my messy closet. This is just like a little shoe organizer, but it's great for holding your red Aspen nail dashes. Actually, I could do both of these together. That might be kind of cute. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna switch it up. I took them off yesterday in the shower. I had the gold ones on before. I've already like buffed my nails, which I might just do again. Was she stolen? Do you see that?
What is this? You want a treat? Oh, thank you. What is this? Oh, Posy, come here. Come here. Good. What's this? Thank you. Oh, it's a glue stick. Nice. Very nice.
I need to find my nail polish remover. Haha. Okay. So I did already buff my nails, but I'm just gonna go ahead and give them just a little one, just so that it kind of roughens up your own natural nail and gets the natural oils off, because then it lasts longer. Those gold ones lasted me, I think, over 2 weeks. I was like, okay, this is time. I'm sick of these. They need to come off. And it was weird because I only did 1 drop of glue. I felt like they lasted longer with 1 drop of glue than they did with 2. Because before, I normally do, oh, I grabbed the wrong one. I normally do a drop of glue on my nail and then a drop of glue on the fake nail. But this time I only did just it on my nail and it seemed to last longer, which it says the opposite, so not sure. So I'm just getting all of the alcohol, or I'm sorry, all of the oils off of my nails. And then I do recommend trimming them down. I've noticed when your nails are longer, you have a better chance of them ripping off, which I haven't had with red Aspen, but in the past when I've used other nails, I've noticed you got to keep your nails quite short. So these ones are Berry's Bows Brandy. So these ones are like a really pretty like burgundy red, but I don't want too much red because I'm not a huge fan of like red burgundy nails. So you basically just hold it on there and like make sure it fits, and then I'm like, yeah, it fits. And then you get your glue, which is not here. Oh, there it is. And it does come with the glue in here. And that's what's cool about these, is that you can mix and match. You can do the whole set if you want to. Oh wow, that glue came out way faster than normal. It was like, that was a lot of glue. You can do the whole set or you can switch it up, which is super fun. But I like to push it all the way down to the very base and then hold it for like 20 seconds. And that glue just exploded everywhere. Do I have a towel in here? So if there's any glue that squirts out the end bit, you just wipe it off. So we've got our first one on. I think I put that on a little bit crooked. Gosh darn it. This is what happens when I don't pay attention. It's fine, no one's gonna know. It's it's like merp. It's super crooked, it's fine. And then I think I'm gonna do the thumb with this one. Okay, we found the thumb. So I'm gonna actually pay attention this time because I don't wanna put it on crooked like I just did. So I basically just put a drop and I just kind of spread it like all over the nail, but not too much. You don't want to squeeze it, you just want to kind of spread it. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. I just got it all over my fingers. And then you want to like place it down right at the base first. And then hold. And I put quite a lot of pressure. It's also like really gray outside today. Ta-da! So far we got those. Don't mind the crooked pinky. That was totally my mistake. Now we're gonna do Wrap It Up Rory. This way you actually like get a lot more life out of your nails because you're not using every single color, so then you can use them over and over again, which is kind of fun. I've actually never switched them all up. I've usually just always done the exact, like the set. So I'm kind of excited to like switch it up. I think that's super fun. So let's just size these up. I think I need slightly bigger. This is gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, look how cute that is. Yeah, so I'm gonna do another one here. Those look cute. So then usually what I'll do is I will just file. They do come with a little file, and I'll just kind of like file just the edges, because sometimes they have like a little bit. I've noticed the glittery ones, sometimes the glitters will hang off the edges and then it'll snag on like your clothes and stuff, and it's kind of annoying. So I just always make sure that everything is like nice and smooth afterwards. Now we have some super cute little festive Christmas nails. Those are so cute. I feel like this one was a little bit big. I should have gotten a smaller one because it kind of makes that nail look ginormous. Darn it, it's too late now, it's on there. That's why you really have to like take your time. I'm rushing. Normally I don't rush. I take like a good amount of time, but I'm just trying to get this done for you guys. So that is super fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off and I'll show you the whole finished result. Okay, they are finished. I did it opposite on this hand so that it's like, looks like it all just whoo, goes together. Aren't those so fun? There you guys go. That's how I do my nail dashes. Just one drop of glue. I kind of spread it all over the nail, stick the nail on, hold it for 20 seconds, file the edges a little bit, and you're good to go. And this usually will last, the gold ones lasted 2 full weeks. I did use a new shampoo. I used that Nexus one. It's in the shower at the moment, but I feel like it made my hair so shiny and it made it dry so silky smooth, and it doesn't look frizzy or anything. Like, it's so shiny and so soft, and it kind of has more of like life to it, whereas normally it kind of hangs. I feel like there's a little bit more of like a flow, so I can't wait to curl it and see what it does, because it was really good and it smelled super good. And I got it from Sam's Club for, it's like 15 bucks for the shampoo, or yeah, 15 bucks for the shampoo and 22 for the conditioner. It smells amazing, and I just feel like my hair is like, it actually looks really, really shiny, doesn't it? Like, look at that shine. Amazing. I just realized that I actually ordered some more nail dashes, so I just figured I would share with you guys the ones that I got. So I got more of Winnie's in White Sands. I think they were having a sale, so I ordered like a bunch more. So that is Winnie's in White Sands. So they're kind of like a really pretty, like creamy, like a really creamy pink. And then I think this was free. I got another Pump It Up Maggie mascara. And then I ordered Contour with Grace Red Rose lip pencil and Safari Sunset. So I don't have these colors yet. I don't know if I'm gonna like Safari Sunset because I opened it up when I got it, and it looks a little bit shimmery or like metallic-y. I'll just try it on. Yeah. I don't know about this one, you guys. Do you see it's like gold shimmer? I don't like lip liners to be shimmery. That's just not my jam. Yeah, that is really not my color. I look really old, so I don't like that color. That one is a fail. That one was Safari Sunset. Nope, not cute on me. I tried out the red. It's really pretty. The red rose is gorgeous, so I'll definitely be keeping this one. I'll just demonstrate. It's like all red around now. Sounds like there's like horses on the roof. That's so weird. So this is Red Rose. I think Red Rose is like absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's a really nice color. You could just put that on, couldn't you? With a little bit of mascara to make yourself look decent. I'm gonna put the mascara on just so you guys can see. I'm not putting it on with any primer. It's all bobbling off on me. Oh, did you see that? It just blobbed. What the heck is going on here? That's a mess. Okay, the problem with this mascara is that the brush, like, it makes such a mess. Like, I literally have mascara everywhere, so I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll wipe it all off. This is Catherine in the Ballet Slipper. These ones were on sale, so I ordered another set. I already have this one and it was like super duper beautiful. It's like a really, really soft pale pink, so I got those. I also ordered another set of the Leopard for Lydia. This was the first set I ever got and it was super duper cute. And then I haven't had this one yet. This is called Allie's Black Tie Affair. These ones are really cute. They're black and then they have like shimmery ones as well. So I think I'm gonna wear those ones, maybe mixed with some silver glittery ones that I have for New Year's Eve. Those are super cute. Not like I'm going anywhere fancy, but yeah, those are really cute. So, oh, I'm so excited. I feel like my collection is getting so big now. There we go. There's my hair today. Sometimes it's nice when it's like this because I don't have like product in it. It just feels super soft. And then I got this, CO Bigelow sent this to me. This is the Lemon number 1999. Looks like this. Super cute, so thank you to CO Bigelow. I don't think I've ever tried any of their perfumes before. So I'm gonna try this today. It comes in this really cute little lemon colored box, but it smells like lemon cake. It seriously smells so good. So I smell like lemon Starbucks cake today. Hey guys, so I just realized I never closed off that video. It just like ended with me spraying perfume. I filmed this a little while ago. This was even, I think, before Christmas. Sorry, I can't hear myself. And that perfume is so yummy. I've been using it ever since. So I think I've had it for, what are we on? We're in January now. So I filmed this a long time ago and then I completely forgot to post it. But I have a completely different nail set on now. So let's see if you can focus. There we go. So this is what I have on. I get 2 solid weeks out of these, you guys. This one is so cute. I love them. I did them for New Year's. They're just my favorite. I absolutely love them. So if you guys haven't tried the red Aspen nail dashes, I will link it down below for you guys. I actually have a bunch. I've ordered more since this video. If you guys want to see like my nail dash collection, let me know. I'd be happy to share it with you guys. I'm just obsessed with them. They're so affordable. They are so like long wearing. They're easy to do at home. It takes me like 10, maybe 20 minutes, and they are just so cute. Like you can switch them up, you can do all sorts of different colors. They have long ones, short ones, medium ones. They even have ones for toes as well, so highly recommend. Also, if you guys have not tried out Red Aspen's eyeshadow palette, the Fulfilled, it's kind of pricey but so worth it. It's like my favorite everyday holy grail eyeshadow palette. And their highlighter, the Pearl Crown, is what I'm wearing, well, pretty much every single day. I love it. It's my favorite highlighter, and it's amazing. So I'll link all my favorites down below for you guys, but definitely check them out if you guys have been looking for, I know that salons closed down again in California. So if you guys are looking for another alternative to getting your nails done at the salon, whether you get gels or acrylics or whatever it is that you get, these are super awesome. I made the switch back in March when the salons closed down the first time. That's crazy to think. Wow, we're coming up on a year almost. But you know, they did reopen back in California, I know, for a little while, but then they're closed again at the moment. But it's just been so handy for me. Like, it's so easy to do at home. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to spend as much money, because I was spending, you know, a decent amount of money getting my nails done at the salon. It's much more affordable this way, and then I can just do it in my own home. So if you guys are looking for an option to switch out your nails, you know, for the time being, if not forever, I don't know, whatever you want to do. I was just going to do it as like a, you know, while this whole thing was going on, not realizing it would last so long. And then it just so happened that I absolutely loved them, and I'm gonna stick with them now because I love how easy and convenient and how affordable they are. So that is how I put my nail dashes on. Like I said, they last for 2 weeks. I recommend either soaking your hands in a bowl of soapy water to get them off, or just take a bath or take a shower and take them off. You'll know when they're ready. If you take them off too soon, like they won't come off as easily. So I usually wait at least a full 2 weeks, and then they just come off super easily and I don't have damage, and I can just put my next set on like right away. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy and found that helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely try out that perfume if you guys haven't. It smells so good, of like lemon cake. So if you like that lemony kind of citrus perfume scent, you would absolutely love that one. It smells amazing. I'm also being choked by these headphones. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Happy Tuesday, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. Bye.